In this video, we're going to walk through a cool tip that you can do in certain databases to search across multiple databases at once. I would use this when this broad library search from the library homepage is just giving me way too much content. It's pulling back lots of stuff and not letting me really focus my search. So maybe I'd go to the link that says databases, and I could start looking at specific databases. But maybe it's hard to tell which one is right. A great starting point is the first one here, Academic Search Complete. If you open that up, you'll see an interface that looks like a lot of other databases. Anything that has this EBSCO branding is from the same vendor, it's from the same company. And then you can see here that you're searching Academic Search Complete. So I could search for something that tends to be a popular topic, Instagram. And maybe let's add self-esteem or the image and hit search. You can see that you get a pretty reasonable result set here, but maybe it's not as broad as you wanted. So to do something that's a little bit broader, but narrower than that main library search, you can go up here in the top little bit here, right next to where it says what database you're searching, and click Choose Databases. And then from here, you can select other EBSCO provided databases that you can search simultaneously. So we're currently in Academic Search Complete, and maybe you want to browse through the list and see what else might be relevant. Some of them are very descriptive. For example, you can see here there's art and architecture source. Some of them you might not recognize, like Eric. So for any of them that you want to know a little bit more about, if you mouse over the yellow here, you'll get a pop-up. And we can see here that Eric is all about education research. So let's also select, in addition to Academic Search Complete, Communication Source, because I can see here that it covers things about communication, rhetoric and discourse, and media studies as well. So that seems relevant for social media like Instagram. I might also throw in something like Humanities International Complete, or maybe something having to do with social sciences, for example. So I could choose whatever I like. For now, I'm just going to stick to Academic Search Complete and Communication Source and hit OK. When we do that, it's going to be really hard to tell that you've selected two different databases. You have to know up here where it says searching. If you said show all, then it shows what you're searching. So I'm not changing anything else about the search except that. And you can see we added additional resources here. Now, when we're searching multiple databases, it's going to tell us in the record which database it came from. If I wanted to see overall on the left, I can see down here under database, it's going to say, here were the original 99 results from Academic Search Complete. Communication Source gave us an additional 28. So if I wanted to check and see, well, let's see, were those relevant sources? I can just check that box and see the different sorts of results that came back. So they're coming from additional publications. So things like New Media and Society, the Journal of Consumer Affairs, again, New Media and Society, New Media and Society. So maybe I realize, oh, that's actually a really relevant publication for me. Maybe this is an avenue worth exploring. So this is a great trick to expand your search beyond one database, but keep it more controlled than searching all of the library website and resources.